In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Salesforce Security Token 5 minutes. If you use tools like Data Loader or third-party integrations, you'll often need a Salesforce Security Token. Think of it as a unique key that you add to your password when you're logging in from outside your company's trusted IP ranges. It's case-sensitive and specific to your user. Let's walk through how to reset it safely and get up and running again. First, sign in to Salesforce in your browser. Once you're on the home page, look to the top right corner and click your profile icon. That opens your personal menu. From there, choose Settings to open your User Settings area. This is where Salesforce keeps all of your personal preferences and security tools. In the Settings panel, find the option labeled Reset My Security Token. Depending on your layout, it may be listed under your personal information or security sections. Click it to open the Reset page. On that page, you'll see a button to reset your security token. When you click it, Salesforce immediately generates a new token for your user and sends it to the email address associated with your account. Go to your inbox and look for the email from Salesforce with your new token. If you don't see it after a moment, check your spam or promotions folders and make sure your user record has the correct email address. Keep in mind that resetting your token invalidates the old one. So any integrations using the previous token will stop working until you update them with the new value. When you're ready to use it, copy the token exactly as shown in the email. It's case sensitive, so avoid extra spaces when copying. For many tools, you'll append the token to your Salesforce password in the password field. For example, if your password is your usual Salesforce password, you paste the token directly after it with no spaces. This is required for API logins or desktop clients that connect from outside your trusted IP ranges. If your connection is coming from a trusted IP, a token might not be required, but integrations often still expect it. A few quick tips to wrap up. Treat your token like a password. Don't share it and store it securely. If you don't see the Reset My Security Token option, your organization's settings may restrict it. Reach out to your Salesforce administrator. And anytime you reset, remember to update all connected tools so they continue working without interruption. That's it. Simple, secure, and fast. Thanks for watching, and happy integrating.